Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Frazadeen from Creative Computing Year 2. In this video, I'll be presenting two solo projects that I developed. The first project is called Gym Buddy, which is an AI fitness chatbot created using Python, Radio, and Google Colab. The second project is an interactive p5.js and ml5.js project where body movement controls particles and sound effects in real time using pose detection. In this presentation, I'll explain the main features and also go through the important parts of the code. Project 1, Gym Buddy Chatbot. My first project is Gym Buddy Chatbot, an AI fitness chatbot. The purpose of the chatbot is to help the users with fitness-related topics such as workout plan, nutrition, exercise form, motivation, muscle gain, fat loss, sleep, hydration, and recovery. The chatbot gives quick responses based on what the user asks. Importing libraries. At the beginning of the code, I imported two libraries. Radio is used to create the chatbot interface, while random is used to generate different responses so the chatbot feels more natural. Response dictionary. The main part of chatbot is the response dictionary. This dictionary stores all the chatbot replies. I created multiple categories like greetings, workout, nutrition, supplement, cardio, sleep, hydration, stretching, and motivation. Each category contains multiple responses. For example, in the workout session, the chatbot gives workout plans for users. It can provide beginner workout routine, exercise schedules, and training splits. Intent detection functions. One of the most important part in the intent detection function. This function checks the user's message and identifies what the user is asking about. First, the message is converted into lowercase. Then, chatbot compares the message with keywords. If the user types word like protein or diet, the chatbot understands the topic is nutrition. Pattern matching. The chatbot uses loops to compare all keywords. If keyword matches, the chatbot returns the intent and selects suitable response. Chat function. The chat function generates the final response. It first detects the intent and then randomly selects a response from the category. This makes the chatbot responses more interactive. Building the interface. I used radio blocks to design the interface. The interface includes a chatbot window, a message input box, a send button, example prompts, and clear chat button. The example prompts help users to test the chatbot quickly. Response function. The response function updates the chat history. It stores both the user message and chatbot responses. Launching the chatbot. Finally, the chatbot is launched using this generates public link that can be shared. The main features of Gym Buddy are interactive AI conversation, workout guidance, nutrition advice, motivational support, exercise tips, and a beginner-friendly design. Now let's move on to project 2. My second project is an interactive visual and audio experience created using p5.js and ml5.js. This project uses webcam-based body tracking to control particle animations and sound in real time. HTML libraries. In the HTML files, I imported the required libraries. p5.js handles graphics and animation. p5.sound handles audio, and ml5.js is used for machine learning and post detection. Variables. In the JavaScript file, I created variables for webcam video, post detection, particles, audio oscillators, and color theme. Particle system. I created a particle system with 800 particles. These particles move dynamically around the screen. Loading the post model. In the preload function, the ML5 body pose model is loaded. This allowed the project to detect body movement using webcam. Setup function. In the setup function, the canvas is created, the webcam starts, body tracking begins, particles are generated, and sound oscillators are initialized. Real-time post detection. This line starts post tracking. The webcam continuously tracks body key points like the wrists. Draw function. The draw function runs continuously and updates the animation frame by frame. This is the main animation loop. Hand interaction. The project tracks both wrists. The left hand attracts particles while the right hand repels them. This creates a dynamic interactive effect where the particles respond to the body movement. Particle physics. Each particle has position, velocity, acceleration, and friction. The particles move naturally because of the physics calculator. Audio interaction. I also added sound effects using oscillators. The sound changes depending on the movement, speed, and particle interaction. Theme selector. I added color theme selector so users can change the visual colors by clicking different buttons. So the main features of the project are real-time body tracking, particle animation, sound interaction, color themes, and interactive visuals. Alright, now let's test it out. So here we can select the color themes, and what this does is it tracks my wrists. So the left wrist attracts particle and the right wrist repel. So let's check that out. As you can see, the right one repels. The sound is increasing as more particles get it at the higher To conclude, both projects helped me to improve my project and creative coding skills. The GymBuddy chatbot focused on AI conversation and user interaction using Python and radio. The second project focused on machine learning, post detection, animation, and sound interaction using p5.js and ml5.js. These projects improve my understanding of coding, logic, UI design, interactivity, and real-time machine learning applications. Thank you for watching.